everyone! Welcome to Mirasol's Kitchen. In this episode, we're going to cook chicken stroganoff with pasta. So I have a guest here, my friend Mabelle, who will share with us her special stroganoff, chicken stroganoff. Because I don't know how to cook chicken stroganoff, so she will share with us her recipe. Okay, let's cook. So our ingredients for our chicken stroganoff, we need spaghetti pasta, or what is this? Farfalle, Parmesan cheese, hot paprika, cooking cream or whipped cream, and then okay, this is the same. Okay, and then we need mushroom, two types of mushroom, and then onions, and of course chicken. Okay, so let's start. We will show you how to cook chicken stroganoff. So first you have to put the oil, only small amount of oil, a tablespoon. Okay, start with onion. Let's start with onion. Feel translucent.
The best is sweet onion.
Sweet onion, the white one.
That's the best one. But since we don't have it,
So only what is
onion.
Okay, what
Next, let's do the chicken.
chicken?
Yeah, immediately.
I'm your assistant.
Saute until you see just a slice of color.
Yeah.
You put some salt and pepper. Not too much, but enough.
Pepper, grass pepper.
Paprika. And the main ingredient is hot paprika. Okay. So we
Okay.
put
The main ingredients is the paprika.
2 tablespoons of hot paprika. 2 tablespoons or more, depending on how you like it. And stir.
Is this paprika is sweet? Or that is different?
There's a sweet paprika, and this is hot paprika. I like to go hot.
Hot is good. Okay, what next?
Yep. So just wait for it.
Simmer for how many? 5 minutes?
Just yeah.
Okay.
So after 5 minutes, you could add on, if you like, a bouillon. So just mix it. So you could put some flavor on the chicken. So after a while, you could add on your mushrooms. 2 types of mushrooms. We got the Shimiji and the button mushroom. Shimiji. So mix it to incorporate the paprika. Voila.
So it's easy.
So if you want this as a viand, just add on sour cream. But since we like it with the pasta, we chose the cooking cream or the whipped cream to become lighter. So after a few minutes of simmering, you'll see that a lot of sauce has gone out, or juice has gone out from the chicken and the mushroom. So if you think that the chicken is like cooked, it's almost cooked, you could really tell because it separates from the bone. So it's ready. Then we start putting the cream. Okay, let's start.
Sarap. Hindi ko pa natitikman. Alam ko na yung masarap.
Because of the cream.
Because of the cream. And also the paprika. And the mushroom. And everything.
And everything else.
Of course, now if you know how to cook, you know the taste.
I didn't put garlic. It's up to you if you like to put garlic. But usually, I don't add any garlic at all.
Okay. You see the difference? Me, I like lots of garlic to my cooking. But it depends also the recipes, no? So it's up to us what we want in our food.
So typically, I just put a liter of cream. But because we're... So this is it. That's it. You have to taste because we only have one bouillon and just a pinch of salt.
So we have to add more.
We have this 2 liters, so you could add more bouillon.
So you need more bouillon?
No, usually for 1 liter of cream, it's 2 bouillon.
Okay, so let's put 3 more.
2 more.
2 more. Yeah.
Or it depends.
Depends. Let's taste, no?
Yeah, let's have this a little
Because
bit
we
boiling.
don't want very salty food. We have to be less salt.
Less salt is okay.
It's easy to add.
Let's have it simmer first.
Than to
before
damage
we put
our cooking.
Yeah. Our kidneys.
Yeah, our kidneys. Kidneys. Ano na, nalagay na?
Since it's simmering now, starting to simmer, we could add another bouillon. This is the second one. For the flavor. And that's it. And you're done. You are done. Okay.
So
to add
now,
some flavor, you could add some chili flakes.
Chili flakes.
Let's add more. This is spicy, very spicy.
We like spicy.
Okay, let's go spicy.
Now our water for our pasta is boiling now, so we will put our farfalle. How many minutes? So just check the direction, but 7 minutes is the al dente, no? So cook it for 7 minutes as per the expert.
As per the packaging.
Okay. All? There we go. I will taste. Wait. Okay. Dadagdagan ko siya ng ano,
para
asin. Pwede nagdagan ko pa ng asin. So, we're just waiting for our pasta to cook. Our...
So 7 minutes. I got it. Chicken.
Meron siya, ready. Wow, very good.
Okay, sige na, sabay ka na. Bota mo pa yung wait lang to ate. May ano ka pa? Alam?